When someone needs to go, who are you to make them stay? But there's so much left of her story. Perhaps that is the story. It isn't hard to say hello. It's how we say goodbye. I shall find that tiny golden key, Alice said, and bring him with me to that loveliest of gardens among the roses. Alice, you want too much to be...
All I want is time. More time with him.
It isn't how much time. It's how we use the time.
But he is always out of time.
Alice paused and let the picture in. To be there, was that's to be in Wonderland. You can kick at heaven, or cry out to the sky. You can go below words, and still there's no